guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm so excited because I tried some new products and I created this bomb look, you guys. Do you see these colors? Like, amazing. So I used the LaMonicas cosmetic palette. You guys, I mentioned this in my June unboxing. I'll link that video down below, but I did mention that I wanted to do a look using this entire palette, which I did. But you'll see throughout the video. I also used a few new products that I've never used before. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I use in today's video, give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials and reviews. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, you guys, so you'll know every time I upload a video. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I've already moisturized my skin. I've already done my eyebrows, and also I just use my concealer as a eyeshadow base. So I'm going to prime my skin with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Fresh Primer. Now, some of the stuff I have tried in this video, and some of it I have not. So now that we have primed down with our primer, I'm going to go in with the new Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and I am in the shade number 8. They come in numbers. They haven't brought out a wide variety of shades just yet, but this is a light to medium coverage foundation, so it's basically like your skin but better. And I've had a little sample jar of this before I got the full size, and I actually like this, you guys. So this is, again, a light to medium foundation. It comes in a little squeeze tube like this. I am going to shake it up a bit because there's a little ball in there, so I always shake it up. And then I'll just put on my face 2 lines. So I'm just going to blend that out with one of my favorite drugstore blending sponges. This is the EcoTool sponge. Going in with not a new concealer because I reviewed this on my channel before. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I am in the shade Golden Beige. I have been loving this concealer, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my eye. This concealer is something else, okay? You need to get your hands on it. And I'm going to set that with my Beauty Bakery Flower Better Not Bitter little setting powder in the shade Yellow. It's a translucent powder. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Darkest Deep. You guys know I love this. I'm going to bronze my face up with this. Bronze / contour, whichever you want to call it. Alright, so we can come back to the face. I'm excited to go into this palette. I mentioned this palette in my June Boxycharm unboxing, and it came in that box. This is the LaMonicas Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So I swatched a few shades on that video. So I'm going to swatch the shades again and show you guys what they look like on my skin. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shades. Starting off, I'm going to go into Cocoa Taxi and use that as my transition shade. Alright, so I think I got it to the intensity that I wanted for that color. I'm now going to go into Tropico and place that right on top of it, more so below it, using the same brush. And these colors are so pigmented, you guys, so just use a little bit at a time and build. And I'm going to go into Guadalajara. And I'm going to stick that right into the crease, just pressing that on and go right into the crease. So right under that tropical color. That same blending brush, the MAC 224 brush, which is my first blending brush, no product on it, and just blending upward. Now going into the outer V, we're going to use the Confessito. Girl. We're going in with this brown color. We're going to use that on the outer V area. Taking like a pencil brush, something like this. Place that on the edge. dragging it up to the crease again to darken it up. I'm gonna go into Celia. My little skirt. You guys know I don't really be using these type of colors. All right, taking Celia. I'm not gonna wet it. I want to see what they perform like without anything on it. That's really pretty. All right, now going into Varadero, this blue shade. I just want to use this blue. Like, it's not even funny. I'm gonna wet this, and I'm gonna place it on, like, going into the brown, just on top of the turquoise shade. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. All right, now I'm gonna go into LaMonicas, which is like this really pretty champagne green. Oh my gosh, these colors are bomb, okay? I'm gonna take a little shader brush like this. I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner. You guys, I'm so proud that I used all the shades. I'm just gonna go in with this one in my inner tear duct. But before we do that, I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. Going in my inner tear duct with the La Costa, this gold champagne shade. For my top lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This was in the Boxycharm for July, so I'm interested to see how this works. I will link that video down below. I did do an unboxing on my channel. Oh look, the wand is like at a curve. So let's check this mascara out. I like that the wand is like grabbing each hair. Put some false lashes on because this look wouldn't be nothing without any false lashes. So I'll put my false lashes on and I'll be right back. All right, so lashes are on and I went ahead and did my blush. I mixed the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in Desert Rose, and it looks like this. It's like an orangey shade. This was also in Boxycharm, and then I mix it with my favorite Lovejoy Mineralized Blush by MAC. I don't even know what lashes these are. They're really, really nice, but I think I need to cut them or something because they're just everywhere. And on to the good part. This is the highlighter. This is the first time I'm using this highlighter. This is the NARS Luminous Loose Powder Highlighter in Orgasm. So I'm excited to see the hype on this one. And let's see. Okay, so this is nice. You guys see this highlight? Come through, highlight, come through. I'm gonna go in with my NYX pencil in the shade Nude, just outline my lips. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora cream lipstick in the number 02. I just posted a video of me swatching and trying on all of my Sephora cream lipsticks. You guys need to go check it out. I will link that video down below. And to top that off, I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip glass in the shade See Through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 1K. I would appreciate it if you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.